Hi guys, we're down at the beach house in Tairua, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade marshmallows. To make marshmallows, you need 450 grams of sugar, 450 ml of water, 36 grams of powdered gelatin, 3 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and 250 grams of powdered sugar or icing sugar. Additionally, you're going to need 50 grams of powdered sugar and 50 grams of cornflour or cornstarch. In a large, deep-sided saucepan, mix together the sugar, water and gelatin, then bring to a boil over a high heat. When the mixture comes to a rolling boil, turn the heat right down to a simmer and simmer for 8 minutes. Meanwhile, line a medium-sized dish with baking paper, brush with a little oil, and prepare a stand mixer with a whisk attachment. After 8 minutes, remove the gelatin mixture from the heat, allow to cool for 3 minutes, then pour into the bowl of a stand mixer and whisk on high for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, stop the mixer, add the vanilla essence and the icing sugar, and continue mixing for a further 3 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, when the mixture is really light and fluffy, pour that into your prepared dish, smooth the top, and allow it to rest for 3 to 4 hours until it's set. When you're putting the marshmallow away, try to put it somewhere slightly covered so that no dust falls on the setting surface and no ants or creepy crawlies get to it. Once the marshmallows had time to set, mix together 50 grams of icing sugar with 50 grams of cornflour. Lift the marshmallow carefully out of the container that it's in, place it on the chopping board, and scatter over some of the icing sugar and cornflour mixture. Brush that carefully across the top. That's going to stop it sticking. And then just pull it aside from the paper. You might get a little bit stuck here, but that's okay. Transfer any of the remaining icing sugar and cornflour mixture back into the dish. You're going to toss the marshmallows in this later so that they're nicely covered. The marshmallow piece you have here should have a really nice spring to it, so a really bouncy like marshmallow. What you need to do now, take a lightly oiled knife and slice through the marshmallow. You can cut these into any size you like. I like nice big cubes because they work really well when you're cooking them over the fire. Just make sure, after you cut each of them, that you dip it into the mixture to stop the sides sticking to each other. You can also colour these or flavour them any way you like. Something that's really nice is actually to toast a little bit of coconut and roll them in toasted coconut instead of the icing sugar. It's a really old-fashioned way of doing them, but it gives them a beautiful, beautiful flavour. Those marshmallows are all finished now. At the moment, they're still quite soft and kind of squidgy. They're going to firm up quite a bit over the next couple of days. You can keep them for up to 2 weeks in an airtight container, if they keep that long. You'll find this recipe and many more on my website, www.daysofj.com. They're really yummy.